adventurers. So today the weather is amazing and I'm heading to Liwa Festival to see the finale of the Murab Dune Challenge. So stay with me, I'll take you through the journey, which will take me about 4 hours drive to there. And I will camp the night in Liwa, and then I will go for a drive the next day. So this is Murab Dune. It's a very high dune, steep one where people with heavily modified cars challenge on who goes to the top faster. I have reached Tel Murab Dune Challenge. It's a bit quiet. I think it's because of the weather. They are waiting to get some more news before they start the challenge. Liwa Festival is a heaven for off-roaders, with so many modified cars and buggies, and there are so many shops and food trucks over here to enjoy the night out and the days during the festival. Okay, it's night now. We have reached the campsite. Probably won't see anything. There are huge dunes over here, and we're just going to camp, and then we'll see the dunes in the morning. So finally it's time to sleep. I set up my tent and the rain is just pouring outside, so I'll be testing the Kashwa tent tonight for the first time under heavy rain, and we'll see how it goes. So good night everyone, see you in the morning. So much rain, and the wind is so strong. I felt that it will literally pick up the tent and throw it away. Good morning everyone. It's lovely morning in Liwa. I survived the night with all the rain and the wind, and I'm just getting ready to get some breakfast and then go for a drive in this amazing desert. Okay, it's raining really heavily in Liwa, and Liwa is very famous with their subcars, which is the flat areas, and they get really full of water in some areas, and it can get really dangerous. You don't know what's underneath the water. So we decided to move to Hamim, and we'll drop over there as it's much safer, and safety comes first.